strobe hits. I feel the heat, fire when the strobe hits you.
What's it, friend?
Bet you're looking for something.
What's up, you guys? It's Emma and welcome back to my channel. Today, there's a lot of noise in the background. I'm playing music, 1, and 2, guess who's back for some cooking? Previously, I saw a funnel cake recipe on Snapchat, so I wanted to try it for myself, see if it works, see if it tastes good. Right now, my dad is running errands, and at the grocery store, I asked him to get some vanilla ice cream, and what else? Strawberries. So basically, we're gonna turn this into like a funnel cake sundae type thing, so yeah, I really hope it turns out because I love funnel cakes and just sounds good. Let's go see if this works. Yeah, and also don't mind this hairstyle we have on going here because I'm too lazy, okay? My hair's a mess. So I tried pouring in some water to see if the oil was hot enough, and of course, I poured in too much, so now it's making a noise from all the water coming from the bottom and popping. I have already preheated cooking oil in a heavy bottomed pot. I need to get out the ingredients, so I already have my butter, egg, sugar, all-purpose flour, milk, vanilla extract or pancake or maple syrup, Now I just need to add the rest of the ingredients. I got really scared because I thought this says March 25th, but it says May. That's after April. I thought it was really expired, but never mind. Nope, that is not a hair. You are not about to snipe my funnel cake. You better get out of here. Oh my god. Guys, this is not safe. I just found another hair. Alrighty, I'm gonna beat this egg in here, but I don't feel like getting out my hand mixer, so we're gonna whisk it really hard. Why is this egg really yellow? I put the vent on, so hopefully that'll help, and also there's the microwave. Lots of noise going on. My hair's coming apart. Just a little too burnt, so we're gonna turn it down. Alrighty, so I ran out of batter in the bag, so I'm gonna fill it up again. we now have a whole pot of funnel cake. I have a little piece here and we're gonna try it. Ah, it almost fell. Nice and crunchy. With funnel cakes, you have like the powdered sugar on top, so I'd say it tastes pretty normal. So today we're gonna be doing some ASMR, so let's get started. Oh, we love a dirty pimpled sister. Yep. Okay, I hated that. The food was great, just not the ASMR. And that's what it looks like, so yay! Look, you forgot I was recording. Alrighty. So, this has ice cream, funnel cake stuff, and strawberries.
Thank you.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I had a lot of fun making this, and it tastes really good, so you guys should try it. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then next to it, turn on the post notification bells so you guys are notified when I upload. Next, just scroll down a little bit further, just a little, and comment a future video idea you guys want me to do so I can film it, edit it, and upload it for you guys. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Feel the heat. Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, friend?